So students, moving further with our chapter, our next chapter topic is thermodynamics, principles of metallurgy. Okay, how is metallurgy related to thermodynamics? Okay, first of all, look at this Gibbs equation. Gibbs equation you have studied in your earlier class, that was in 11th class you have studied about it. Okay, so Gibbs equation is like this, delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. Okay, this is what your Gibbs equation, where delta G is the change in Gibbs energy, delta H is the change in enthalpy, and T is your temperature, and delta S is the change in entropy. Okay, so you have studied this in your earlier class also, that for any reaction to be feasible, we mean that if we say that this reaction is possible or not. For making any reaction possible, the value of delta G should always be negative. Okay, that is what is written here. Value of delta G is negative only when only then the reaction will proceed. If delta S is positive on increasing the temperature, the value of delta T of T delta S would increase. That is, delta H will be less than T delta S and delta G will become negative. What it means here is, I am saying that delta G should be negative for any reaction to be feasible, or you can say for any reaction to proceed in forward direction. It is necessary for the value of Gibbs energy change should be negative. Okay, and this will be negative only when if delta S is positive. Okay, this is delta S. Okay, delta S is your change in entropy. If this change in entropy has the positive value, okay, then this whole thing will become negative. Okay, if this will be having positive value, then this whole thing will become negative. Okay, and when we will increase the temperature, okay, when we will increase the temperature, then this value will also increase, that is T delta S will increase. Okay, this value is positive value, and on increasing the temperature this value will increase, that is minus T delta S value will increase. Okay, because of which we will have delta G value with a negative sign. Okay, because this value will be more, as you know, according to your mathematical calculations, that the negative sign or the positive sign depends on the number itself. If the number having negative sign, if it is bigger in quantity, then the whole solution becomes negative. Okay, so if delta H is less than minus T delta S value, then this whole value will become negative. Okay, so delta G in that case will become negative. Okay, so overall to make delta G negative, it is necessary to have positive value of delta S, and also having also increased value of T. Okay, next situation which is necessary for it is if the reactants and products of two reactions are put together in a system and net delta G of the two possible reaction is negative. Okay, when means if a system is dependent on two kinds of reactants and products, then in that case their net delta G value should be negative. Okay, so in that case only that the reaction will proceed. Okay, so this was your thermodynamic principle of metallurgy, that for metallurgical processes to happen, it is necessary for delta G necessarily that the value of the delta G should be negative.